In this lesson, we are going to focus on partial sums with two-digit add-ins. So before we do that, first we're going to review expanded form. So if I have 26 and I want to expand that out, I'm going to go 20 and 6 makes 26. If I have 54, I expand that out. I have the value of the 5 is 50 and the value of the ones place is 4. So it's 50 plus 4. So we're going to be using that today to help us with doing our partial sums. So I am going to do, let's do 26 plus 52. Okay? So if I have my 26 and my 52, I'm first going to work by expanding those out. So 26 would be 20 and 6. So I'm going to put equals 20 plus 6. And then when I expand this out, I have 50 plus 2. So now that I have my numbers expanded out, I am going to add. I have 6 and 2, which makes 8. And I have 20 plus 50, which makes 70. Now that I have it expanded out into 70 and 8, 70 and 8 makes what? 78. So then I have my sum of 78. Let's do another problem. Let's do 43 and 39. Okay, so I'm still going to expand that out. So I'm going to take my 43 and my 39, and I am going to expand out 43, which would be 40 plus 3. And when I expand out my 39, it would be 30 plus 9. Okay, again, I'm going to add. So 3 and 9 makes 11. I'm sorry, makes 12. And 40 and 30 makes 70. Well, this one looks a little different than this one. Why is this one different? What do you see that's different here? Well, I have 12 here, right? But when I combine my numbers together, right here I have 70. I have to add another 10, which would get me to 80, and then I have 2 more. So I'm still going to combine those together like I did up here, but having that 70 would take me to 80, then I would be at 82. Okay, let's do another one like that. Let's do 37 plus 18. Okay, so this time we're going to expand it out without the strips. So I know 37 is made up of 30 plus 7. If I took the strips apart, I would see 30 and then I would see 7. My 18 is made up of 10, because I have 1 in my tens place, plus 8. Okay? Now we're ready to add this up. 7 and 8 makes 15. And I leave my pluses in between because I'm totaling up and making sure that they stay separate. 30 and 10 makes 40. So again, I have an extra 10 over here. So when I combine it, I have to make sure this 10 gets added to that. So I have 4 10s and 1 more 10, which would give me 5 10s. And then I have the 0 and 5, which would give me 5. So 37 plus 18 equals 55. Let's do one more example. Let's do let's do 77. Let me move my book to make sure you can see it. There we go. Let's do 77 plus 8. Or no, let's do 9. We already did a 7 plus 8. So I'm going to expand out 77, which would give me a 70 plus 7. And then 9 is already by itself. But do I have any tens? Nope, so I'm not going to put anything underneath my tens place. I'm going to put my 9 over here. 7 plus 9 gives me 16. So I'm going to put my 16 plus, then I'm going to put my 70 over here. So I have that extra 10, so instead of 7 tens, I'm going to have 8 tens. And then my ones place is going to total 6. So 77 plus 9 gives me 86. So there's partial sums using expanded form to help you.